Okay, so this is a product review on the insect frass, and I absolutely love this product. Now, who is it made by? I'm not even sure. I mean, this is the only product you can find about insect frass. I looked everywhere for, insect frass. There's only like one or two companies that make insect frass, and this is the one you're always going to see on there. And you can buy like the 2-pound bag, I think 5-pound and 10-pound bag. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this stuff. Don't cheap out like I did. I thought 2 pounds would be enough. You're definitely going to want to eat. You're definitely going to want to add more to your soil than what I added. Though I'm going to tell you, I bought this 2 pounds and I didn't even use that much, but I added enough of it to the soil based by weight and how many plants I had. So I don't know, I had 150 plants. I divided this bag by 150 by weight, and that's how much I added to the soil based on that. Or it was something to that effect. I don't remember exactly what I did. What I can say is that I would definitely go with the larger bag, and I would add more of this product to the soil. Since I've been using the insect frass, I've been noticing like no insects are wanting to eat my plants at all. I don't see any insects on there except for flea beetles. Flea beetles were the only ones going on my tomatoes that were causing me an issue. And now I don't even see them on there anymore. Though, yeah, I'm having some other issues right now, some of my tomato plants. What I can't say is I don't see any insects. Now, one of the things I don't see is the tomato hornworm. I do not see the tomato hornworm. I've never grown tomatoes in all my years and never seen a tomato hornworm on my plants. I've always had tomato hornworms. Well, let me tell you something. I don't see any tomato hornworms on any of my plants. Maybe they're still yet to come in. I don't know. What I can say, this is the first year I'm using this product, and I don't see any tomato hornworms on my plants. It's absolutely unbelievable. I mean, I'm having more issues with birds in my garden than I am. Look, they're trying to pick I'm looking at it right now. They're got a yellow finch there. She looks like she's trying to pick my tomatoes. Get off of there. She's picking on the flowers and tomatoes. What I can't say is what I noticed is, I'm sorry for the distraction. They're jumping around on my tomato plants. I'm doing this video. Little beautiful little yellow finches. But anyway, I have, I got, over 150 plants, tomatoes, and I don't have any insects eating them other than the one insect, which was flea beetles, which I've been going in there every day and making sure I eradicate any flea beetles I can identify with my eyes to squish them off and get rid of them. And that kind of knocked off the little bit of insect damage I was getting. But even the flea beetles, normally when I get a flea beetle infestation, they cover the whole plant, and within, a week to 2 weeks, the whole plant is completely getting destroyed by flea beetles, and they're everywhere. This year, there were a few areas that I didn't see the flea beetles, or I didn't get to them, and some of the leaves were getting chewed up by them, and they abandoned the plant. So somewhere along the line, this stuff definitely contributed to the fact that the flea beetles or any of the other insects are not wanting to eat my tomato plants. I don't know. You take it for what it's worth, but I do believe that this stuff actually does work. I don't really see any insects eating my tomato plants. So I definitely, like I say, the only thing that I would recommend with this is that you double the dose than what I showed you in my original video. I said 2 pounds, go with the 5 or the 10 pound. Don't worry, you're not going to offset your soil that much. Though I will say it does have a 222 NPK rating, so take that into consideration when you're mixing in with the other. If you're going to double your dose from my original super soil mix, if you're going to double it, consider, you're going to increase this rating on your NPK, so you're going to probably want to cut back on some of the other products because of that. Because now you're doubling your dose, you're really going to start to have a good amount of this floating around in the soil, and so keep that in mind. That's going to start throwing you out. I didn't think it would, but I think it's got some kind of an effect. Too much nitrogen is definitely going to overdo it. But I definitely recommend this product. 100% organic insect frass. It's OMRI, is it? I believe this is OMRI. Here, I'll show you the package. You pause the video as you need it. And you can read it. And I can't say enough good things about this product. I am definitely sold on this product. I can't make a super soil without adding this to it. Because like I say, I am really noticing that no insects are eating my plants. I don't see any insects. I don't know what to tell you. But my tomato plants are always getting devastated by some kind of an insect. Not now. I'm not seeing anything. So I don't know what to say. Maybe it's just luck. I don't know. It's the first year I'm using this product, and I don't even see tomato hornworms on my tomato plants. So you tell me. I mean, take it for what it's worth. All right. So yeah, I definitely recommend using insect frass. Definitely don't be shy with it. Go a little bit more with it. It's a very powerful stuff to add to your soil, and it will have effects for you. I do believe that it will have the effects like I'm having right now. No insects. So. That's it. That's your product review for this insect frass. I'll leave links in the description where you can pick it up. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.